You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this unit on my head. Tell me this does not look like my hair. So this unit is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Shanice and the color 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the specs of this unit and the ways that I styled it, just stay tuned for this video. Texting me, you know that you're the best for me. Testing me, I know you almost left to me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Okay, you guys, so I am loving this unit. This is feeling like my own hair after I deep condition and blow dry it. Like, this hair is everything. So this unit does have your standard cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. It also does come with your adjustable band. This is a 13x6 unit. It also has a pre-plucked frontal as well as baby hairs. The baby hairs were not too long, but I did trim them down a little bit and just swoop them into the hairline. And yes, honey, this is giving me all sorts of life right now. Like, this hair is just perfect to me. Like, perfect. I feel like if you're a fan of the Outre Niche units, this one's going to be for you 100% because this is giving me that vibe, but just with more parting space, so I am all here for that. The density on this unit is amazing and I cannot stop touching it. I am absolutely loving it. So it's really full. It's definitely not overwhelming, but it's perfect to me. It feels like maybe along the lines of like 180% density. So the length of it is really natural. I love it a lot. It's coming just to my boobs, and I am 5'3" for reference. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what that's looking like. So honestly, I feel like I don't know why this unit is not ridiculously popular for people who like kinky straight hair, because this unit is everything. It's super soft. I'm not getting any tangling. I'm not getting any shedding. As you can see, I'm just straight up running my hands through it. Now for the top, it was a little bit humpy, so I did apply heat, but I only applied heat to the top because I didn't want to lose this pattern. I didn't really want to go for that super sleek look. I kind of just wanted the natural vibe, so I did not apply heat all throughout, but you definitely can add heat up to 400 degrees, so definitely keep that in mind. Now this unit definitely is coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, so that's a plus on that line. I love the fact that the lace, as with a lot of Outre units, was darker, so it was much easier to get to blend in naturally with my own skin tone. This 100% is going to be a throw on and go unit. I definitely didn't have to put much work and manipulation into it to get to look like this, so that's always a plus. I really honestly have nothing bad to say about this unit. This is exactly what I'm looking for when I look for kinky straight hair, and this is just everything that I could have wanted and more, right? Like, look at the body. And you, just like I said, it's heat friendly, so you could definitely tone it down some if you're not into the big hair, but I just love this big crazy natural look. Like, this is giving me life. This is giving me everything right now. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys are loving it as much as I am. If you are, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.